This is my presentation for the final project. This project is a custom replacement for the free malloc and realloc functions that we have inside the stdlib. Here are the three available APIs that I have created. We have the free memory function, we have the get memory function, and we have the realloc memory function. Okay, here you can be using the heap validation function tool to have more information about the heap. So to use it, you just need to be following the installation guide that I have created inside my repo, and that's it. Let me show it in action. You just need to include the header, and now we're going to be calling first the get memory function, and after that we're going to be calling the realloc memory function, and in the end we're going to be calling the free memory function. One thing that is important to mention is we are going to be calling the heap validation function 3 times to show what's actually happening in the heap. So let's run it and let me show you what's happening. So the first allocation, we asked for 13 bytes. Here is the pointer to the payload, and here is the alphabet we stored inside the memory we just allocated. Here is the information about the chunk. The chunk is larger because we need to store the metadata together, so we asked for more memory. And here we only have one allocated chunk at this point. So in the second allocation, we asked for more memory, but at this time the chunk couldn't handle that size because we also need to add the metadata information. So we freed this chunk and we asked for another chunk. As you can see, this one is actually larger, and that's why we have two chunks. And here is the information for the heap at this point. We have two alloced chunks, and one of them is free. And in the end, we call the free memory function. So the previous one is already free, and the last one that we free, the free memory function actually merges them both. So we don't have any kind of fragmentation inside the heap. And that's pretty much it. One allocate chunk that is free.